Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Rachel and I'm really glad I didn't scare you away with my last video. If you haven't gotten the chance to watch them, be sure to just binge watch all my videos right here, right now. Stop what you're doing, watch it in order. It's a party. There's currently 3 videos, so you came early. Good for you. Welcome. We hope you enjoy. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a fall fashion guide. What is that, may you ask? Well, I'm going to be showing you what I think makes or breaks like your fall outfits. The reason I put that in like little air quotes is because I think this is just how I dress. You can choose to express yourself in any way, but I have been asked to do this video, number 1. And number 2, people have come up to me, not to be like, but people have been coming up to me and they're like I could never wear that, but you pull it off. So I'm going to be showing you guys the different ways I spruce up my outfits, whether it's with a certain type of sweater or accessories. And if you really want to take it a step further, maybe just a suggestion, you should go watch my heatless hairstyles video and decide a hairstyle to go with it also. And if you really want to take it a step further, you can watch my makeup routine and incorporate some of that. But this is really just to help you guys sharpen your style and help it make it more you, when sometimes you're not able to pinpoint what exactly you want. So if you're interested in seeing my fall fashion guide, then keep on watching. Let's go. Just a disclaimer before we start. I wear skirts, I don't wear pants, but you can definitely take like my skirts and turn them into your pants. So like my black skirt, your black or blue jeans. Wear colors that make you happy. So here I'm wearing pink, my favorite color, and neon orange, which always gets me stopped in the hall. I find bright colors in fall makes me a lot happier and ready for the weather. Try to go for new materials. So here's corduroy, and these are all about to be fluffy sweaters because I don't like wearing cotton in the fall. I like having fun. So I go for the fluffiest sweaters you can see. This one is from H&M. This one is from Zara, and I get touched every single day. You can ask everyone. I love cardigans. I think they're such a fun and comfy way to spruce up your outfit. Go the extra mile and get some scarves, which are not just fashionable, but help keep you warm when it's 35 degrees outside. And this is my sister's hand-me-down, but this one is from Garage. I love it and get tons of compliments. These are all midi. Worn this look to a concert before, and here I was having my own concert because I started binge watching Victorious. When I wear this, everyone calls me Betty Cooper. I kid you not. But I coordinated the cherries on the collar to the cherries on the sweatshirt, and I really think collars add an extra level of sophistication and maturity that you might not have had otherwise, and these are really cute examples for your fall looks. That is it. Thank you so much for watching my fall fashion guides. Let me know which looks you like the best and which ones you're going to be incorporating into your style a lot more. Please let me know what types of video that you want to see. Shout out to Sarah Ford for giving me this idea. Girl, I love you and your comments on my videos. You make me so happy. Be sure to tell all your friends about this channel. Let's grow. Let's tell your friends, tell your family. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I know you guys are going to come back for my next video. And I know you're going to enjoy it. Thank you. Bye.